What is up, guys? Alright, so I just seen a video from one of my mentors titled, "What if I don't have $49? And this was a real eye-opener for me, right? So what I want to do is I want to share with you basically my thoughts on it if you don't have $49 to start a business. Alright, so let's dive into it. So first off, if you're one of those people that you don't have 49 bucks, man, I think you seriously need to take a long, hard look at yourself. I mean, it's the 21st century and you don't have $49, or maybe you do, but when it comes to online, you're just like kind of scared and hanging back. But I know, you know, from experience, past experience, that, you know, that is possible. You maybe don't have $49. So what I want to really teach you guys is what it took for me to go from being broke to now, you know, living the lifestyle that I do, not meaning to brag. Now for me, is you need to get out of this I don't have, right? Yes, maybe you don't have $49 at the minute, but instead of sitting around complaining about it, go out and do what you need to do. You know, go out and work hard, go out, get a job, go out and, you know, do stuff that you don't necessarily like to get money, right? There are so many things that you can do right now to go and get money. Like when I first started, what did I start doing? I started going around asking family and friends. I was asking my uncle if I could help out with him in his restaurant. I was doing everything possible that I could do to get the money to start my business. Now at the time it was only $25, but I didn't even have 25 bucks back in the day, man. So I know what it's like. I have been there myself, but you need to get out of this, you know, I don't have this kind of mindset, right? That's all due to society and stuff, the way you're brought up in school and college, all that kind of nonsense, right? And you need to start thinking about what you can do to solve that problem. How can you go and get some money now? Don't just sit on your laurels and just think about, oh man, I don't have 49 bucks, what am I going to do? Right? You need to completely flip your mindset upside down. You need to go out there and do whatever it takes. I mean, if you're in the online space, I mean, you could go out there and create trainings on or courses, maybe something that you know how to do, maybe not necessarily for the affiliate marketing space, but say you're a car mechanic, you know, go and put videos up there on YouTube of, you know, how to do certain things with a car, you know, and maybe link to a product below in the description of a ClickBank, or, you know, something. There are so many things that you can do because people are always searching out, you know, people online to do jobs for them, right? So maybe you're a graphic designer. Go and start, you know, doing videos. Start putting yourselves on sites like Odesk or Udemy or whatever these websites are, where you can list your services, because people are always searching for people like that, you know, to get a job done. Like for me, I love outsourcing stuff. I'm always searching for people to do things for me as well, because personally I don't like working, but that's just me, right? There are so many things that you can do. Then get that money to start a business. Right, do what you need to do initially to get the money to invest in yourself, so you can learn the techniques, the skills, gain the knowledge of how to build an online business. But then you need to make sure that you're investing into the right things that are going to teach you. And if you want to get access to the best things, you can check the link in the description, where you get to learn everything that you need to learn about how to build an affiliate marketing business in 6 videos, right, which is pretty cool. Very simple, straightforward product. You can go and check that out in the description. Alright, but if you really want to get ahead, like, even if you're not in the affiliate marketing space, even if you're one of these people that are just struggling to get by, you know, start thinking of things that you can do to rectify the situation that you're in, right? Don't just, you know, sit around and accept it, right? There's so many things that you can do to get yourself out of the situation that you're in. There is something that you can do. Just think about it. What can you offer someone? You know, what can you actually go and do for people? What jobs are people searching for that you can do for them and get paid for it? Like say, if you are a graphic designer, there's plenty of places you can put things. If you're good at editing videos, if you're, you know, good at editing photos, if you're good at optimizing videos to rank on YouTube, anything, man. There's so many things that you can do. They're not just for the affiliate marketing space, but for, you know, people offline, like searching for car mechanics or you know, plumbers or carpenters. You know, there's certain things that you can do. I mean, you could, if you're a carpenter, you could do videos on things about that kind of stuff. I don't know anything about that, so I can't really comment on it. But honestly, if you don't have $49 or $25 or $30, whatever it may be, I think you really need to have a long, hard look at yourself and realize, what are you doing wrong? What's got you in that situation? Maybe you've been screwed over by the government. I mean, yes, that happens as well. That's happened to me, that's happened to my old man, that's happened to plenty of people that I know, right? So I'm not necessarily blaming you, but you you know, if you've just been sitting in that situation for a long time, then that is your fault, right? But if it's just happened, then fair enough. But if you have been, you know, without money for a while, then you need to start looking at what you can do to solve that problem. How can you get out of that situation? Don't just accept it. Alright, so hopefully, you know, that's been a wake-up call for some of you watching this video. If you are watching this, and probably you are struggling. But not meaning to brag, just to put my point across that, you know, that doesn't have to be your situation. You can easily get yourself out of that. You just need to find a way on how to do that. Alright, so yeah, hopefully you guys got some value. Hopefully the sound hasn't been too bad. I know it's a little bit windy. I've actually got the towel wrapped around the GoPro to try and prevent the wind noise. So yeah, like I say, hope you got some value. Hit that like button, click that subscribe button, and click that bell so you're notified of all future videos, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.